Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the center door hinge pin on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the upper hinge cover and use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the hinge. Support the freezer door as you remove the hinge. Lift off the freezer door and set it aside. Using a 3/8" wrench, fully unthread the old center hinge pin. Support the door as you thread the new hinge pin into place. Reposition the freezer door. Align the upper hinge and thread the 2 screws. Snap on the hinge cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.